So for those of you who are actually mining NicCoin, so finally there's a big news coming here. So they are saying that the listing is actually coming soon over here. Alright, so currently I just want to show you on the community and whatever they said. Alright, so when it comes to the NicCoin homepage, so this is today, date 15 January. So they are saying that hey, NicCoin token listing is coming. We are why are you not active? So if you are not active for a while, you have to start being active on this platform because the listing is actually coming soon and we're actually going to be cashing out some huge money from it. So first of all, I'll dive you to the interface and I'll show you some of the petty things that you have to do for you to get more NicCoin. Alright, so we are actually on the interface over here. So first of all, come to this spin section over here. Alright, so click on spin. So they are going to be giving you one spin every day, but you can also choose to purchase one, and if you don't have money you can also use a free spin. So let me spin it and let's see what I'll get from it. Alright, so today I'm not lucky, so I didn't want anything over here. So in case you won, in case you're able to win a ton over here, this is what you have to do. Alright, so one of my subscriber actually comment that he has won ton, and what is he going to do? Can he withdraw the ton? No. Today I'm actually going to be showing you, in case you want ton, what you can use the ton to do. Alright, so let's get back. Alright, so in case you win a ton, you have to come to this swap section over here. So click on this swap section over here, click on it. Alright, so if you have 1 ton, you have to click on 1 ton, which means that your ton will be converted into NIC token over here. Alright, so let's assume that you want 5 ton, then you come here and click on swap, then it will swap. So I've used all my ton to convert to NIC token. So this is what you have to do whenever that you win a ton. Alright, so the next step is for you to come to this boost section over here. So whereby you can choose to purchase this multi-tap style for you to increase your tapping speed. Alright, so there's one thing I just want to show you over here. Alright, so come to this tax section over here. So there's a bunch of tax over here whereby you can able to complete to get more NicCoin. So this is what I have for you, and if you're actually interested in this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and comment down where you are watching this video from, so that I can make a video from your country. So this is what I have for you. Watch out for my next video. Peace out.